In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can speed up your videos in Adobe After Effects. So with your video in your timeline, what you're going to do is right-click the video, then go to Time, and here you choose Enable Time Remapping or press Ctrl-Command-Alt-Option-T. What you now get are two keyframes, the first keyframe for the beginning and the second keyframe for the ending of your clip. I'm going to drag in the ending of my clip, the keyframe, and also my video itself, because otherwise I would just have a frozen frame where this keyframe ends. And then now if you play the video, as you can see, it has been sped up. Now you can also play around with your keyframes, just move it farther or closer to where you want it to be, to where you want to speed up. And by the way, this is what happens if you have a keyframe for the end, then your video just freezes. So that's why you also drag in the end of your video to match the end of your keyframes. But that's how you can speed up your videos in Adobe After Effects. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.